how the Indian concept of secularism is different from the Western model of secularism. Discuss. Now, this is a very straightforward question where we have a topic in our syllabus which talks about comparing the constitution of two countries. Okay. From there, this question is, and you could highlight the word concept of secularism in Indian and Western model, and you had to discuss it. So in order to write this, you should be having a little bit of idea of how secularism is defined in our country and how it is different from secularism which is considered in the Western countries. So, what I did was, since it was to compare, I divided the page into two parts. It was like Indian model and Western model. This could be an easier way of presentation. You can write in paragraphs also, no matter. But that's how what came to my mind at that very moment. So, coming directly to the points, I started by the fact that secularism in India is not completely separated from the state. That's one concept. That's a very basic difference. In Western model, it's completely separate. It's like the church and the state have their own different domains. But in India, if you read the Article 25 and articles around it, you'll find out that the state reserves the right for some kind of changes or some kind of actions that it might take if it feels that the health or public order is affected in the pursuit of religious freedom. So state reserves the right. So that state part I took as my first point, and then I tried to develop on those points further. I think this presentation point is something which you can take from here and implement it again in your answer writing.